Okay, let's dive into today's update. That is the Hamster token connections to wallet. Okay, I'll be showing how you can be able to connect your Hamster convert to your Binance withdrawal wallet. Okay, click on it. Okay. Okay, once it's done loading, you click on the airdrop session. Okay, airdrop session. It shows 11 days remaining. The listing date is on the 26th of September. Okay, why they have uploaded major exchanges. Okay, I'll be showing you how you can be able to connect your wallet, your token to your Binance exchange. Okay, first of all, before you connect, you click on reset withdrawal option. Okay, reset and choose another option. You see it, then you click OK. Okay, it will actually deactivate the previous done wallet you have connected. Then you click on the Binance exchange or OKX, Bybit, and others you're going to use. Well, for now, OKX has packed their stuff out of Nigeria, so I urge you guys to use Bybit or Binance. But for now, the tutorial is all about how to connect to Binance. Okay, then you click on Binance. It says, do you have a Binance account? Okay, if you already have, then you click yes, I have it. Okay, so here it's written Hamster deposit address and the memo. Okay, then we'll get over to our Binance wallet. Okay, click on your Binance, then you click under your wallet. Okay, then you click deposit crypto. Deposit crypto, search on Hamster. Search for Hamster, you'll see it will pop up. It's under Tom blockchain. Okay, under Tom blockchain, you click, then it says both memos and an address are required to successfully deposit your Hamster to Binance. Okay, so you copy the deposit address, you go to your Telegram, you paste it here. Okay, then for the memo, you also go back, you click on it, copy the memo, then you paste your memo here. See, once you're done, you click save and choose. It automatically says well done, stay tuned with update. Thanks. Okay, that's how you get it done. That's how it's done. Thank you.